Welcome to the Blockchain Hurricane, answering your questions about blockchain and crypto in under 2 minutes. Today, I had a question around the legal position of issuing tokens. There isn't a specific law around issuance of tokens, but there's a lot of regulation that we've already talked about that covers the regulation of the actual virtual asset service provider, the person who's issuing the tokens. And there are business decisions around, do you actually tokenize something? So there's an awful lot more than just saying, is it legal to do this? There are a lot of hoops to jump through. So I guess the first question would have to be, do you have a business case for tokenizing an asset? And we're talking here about tokenizing something not for a digital twin, for provenance, for tracing something through a supply chain, for example. There's a slightly different argument there, but actually tokenizing something and allowing people to buy that for investment purposes. So as soon as you start hitting that situation, you are governed by Financial Conduct Authority, rules for virtual asset service providers around the world, rules around promotion of that opportunity, rules around exactly how you deal with your customers and consumers. You are also in a position where you've got a business decision to make around liquidity. So if you're trying to improve the liquidity of, say, an illiquid asset like property, and you're tokenizing that into many, many different shards so that everyone can have a share. Is there actually an appetite for that? Is that genuinely a liquid market? Is it something that makes good business sense? So the two things to really consider, rather than looking for a law that applies to tokenization, is does it make business sense? Is there liquidity here? And what are the existing and very firm regulations around issuing a virtual asset?